Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by trimming distractions. Close other workbooks and save your file. Once done, you need the Data tab visible because this process uses Excel's connection engine. Make sure any external sources, workbooks, databases, Power Query, are available and authenticated. Now click the Data tab and focus on the Refresh All control. That single button triggers every query and connection in the workbook. You do this to ensure consistency and to avoid partial updates that break dependent formulas. You now perform the core action. Click Data, then Refresh All. This runs Power Query loads, refreshes external connections, and updates pivot caches in sequence. While it runs, watch the status bar or the Queries and Connections pane for progress. If an error appears, note the query name. Once complete, dependent formulas and pivots recompute. If a refresh appears stalled, wait a short while. Cancel only if it's unresponsive for more than a minute. Then investigate sources. You finish by validating results. Inspect pivotal sheets and totals to confirm the refresh took. If a specific table failed, right-click that query or table and refresh it individually to isolate the fault. Make sure credentials, network paths, and source file names haven't changed. Incorrect credentials or moved files are the most common causes. If problems persist, open Query Editor to review steps. Once fixed, run Refresh All again to complete the update.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.